Hey friends, it's Wendy with Cannin Plannin. We are here for Craft With Me day number 5. We're going to be playing with our coffee kit, card kit, and let's hop in and I want to share some fun things with you guys. All right, hello you guys. We are playing with our coffee card kit today for our Craft With Me number 5. A couple of things you're going to need for this particular card is a card base and a card envelope, which both come into the kit. You're going to be using a sticker from our sentiment sheet. I already put one together for us on our cardstock piece. You're going to need a die cut, one of your pattern pieces of paper, and then I grabbed some extra craft paper and just a basic piece of white cardstock. You're also going to need some rhinestones and one of the bows out of the kit. So let's take a look at what we're going to create. So I pre-cut most of it, but I'm going to do this little piece right here because I'm going to cut a little section off of it. Just like a ½ inch in or so. So I think this one is, an inch, not a ½ inch. Clearly, I don't know my directions. But we're using a piece of the double-sided paper. So what we're going to do is save this piece for later. We might come back and utilize that for one of our other craft projects. So I'm going to leave a little bit of a strip here, but I'm going to go ahead and add, went right off the edge there. We're going to add this piece on. Good thing that my glue dries clear because that was a nice purple streak right across my paper. So we're going to go ahead and leave the border on the side that has the fold on it like so. And then we're going to utilize these craft pieces that are these other pages that we cut. So this is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4 in length. Of course, it doesn't have to be a piece of craft paper. You can use a piece from the card kit or any other pieces that you might have laying around. I just have extra goodies. And so I love to be able to utilize those. So I'm going to use this piece of craft paper and stick that down. Again, this piece is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. Then I have a piece of regular white cardstock. You can buy this in bulk from any craft store or Walmart even. And this particular piece was 2 inches by 3 inches. So I have a little bit of space to create a border there, like so. And then we're going to just put our little guy right down here in the middle. This is one of our die cuts from our coffee card kit. Again, you can use whatever style of adhesive that you have. Normally, I use a adhesive that comes in a roller, but I ran out, so I don't have any more at the ready. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this one to the bottom, but I'm going to do it off to the side a little bit. And I'm going to use some dimensions. So dimensions you can get from Stampin' Up! People, or you can get them at a craft store. All it is some foam that allows your die cut or your sentiment or whatever to pop off the page a little bit. See, it just has a little bit of dimensions to it. That's why it's called dimensions. Again, you can get those at any craft store. And I want to pop this off the page just a little bit, like so. And then I grabbed my sticky dot for my bow. Again, any kind of craft store. And we're just going to put this one up here in the corner of the latte cup. And then our rhinestones, we're going to use 3 of them, and we're going to go dot, dot, dot. So we're just going to put them in a line right here, dot, dot, dot. And I'm going to move that one over just a little bit. There we go. So it's lined up in the corner. All right. And that, you guys, is our quick craft for the day. One more card kit done. This one from our coffee card kit. All right, you guys, thanks for hanging out with Cannin Plannin. If you found this informational helpful, please feel free to share it out. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye, friends.